Oh, I know. It looks like I just slaughtered the neighbor's cat.
No reason to get alarmed. You might say I'm giving birth to pickled beets. Reuben, I've been thinking. Uh-oh, are we breaking up? Well, I guess you could say that. Huh? I don't get it. Well, you know I love you, so I'm just breaking up with part of you. Part of me? Why not take all of me? Oh, Reuben, I could say it's not you, it's me, but actually it really is you. What? I don't get it. Actually, I'm sorry. It's because you're kind of unhealthy. Oh gosh, is that all? I get along better with your cousin Ruby, and Ruby also has more fiber than you do. And fiber really turns me on. So that's what counts to you? Totally. And Ruby helps me clean my artery wall. Well, if that's how you feel, I'll go cling to someone else's walls. It's time to break unhealthy eating habits. Check out the delicious Mediterranean diet. I'll bet you'll end up loving it. You can start by making this Ruby sandwich. I'm getting hungry just even looking at it. After I had been following the Mediterranean diet for a while that my doctor recommended, red meat just wasn't appealing to me anymore. But when I saw this item on the menu of a fancy bistro restaurant, I went for it and absolutely fell in love. I don't remember what the restaurant called that menu item, but I call it a Ruby sandwich. One of the reasons that America is the unhealthiest of all wealthy nations is because they don't eat enough fiber. The Reuben sandwich has a huge amount of meat, and meat has absolutely no fiber. Beets beat meat. That's the meme of the day. When I want a real treat, that's what I make. People have wanted me to tell them how to make this recipe, so here it is. My healthy recipes will give you reasons for eating what's in them.
Here are the very simple ingredients for your Ruby sandwich. My homemade beet, and I'll show you how to make those.
A couple slices of multigrain bread. It's better for you than rye.
This is the one I found near me, hearty grains and seeds, and it doesn't have a lot of sugar in it.
Actually, I don't see any sugar listed in the ingredients.
It's also very moist and stays moist. We have sauerkraut, and I'll also show you my technique for that.
Lastly, there's Swiss cheese, one of the cheeses with less fat.
This bread that I use doesn't have caraway seeds. So what I do, I just take these caraway seeds.
And I add them to the sauerkraut.
That solves the problem of not having caraway seeds in the bread.
Great advice. Weed out unhealthy habits. That's a novel idea for Americans. Wake up. We're sicker and dying earlier than people in other nations. We need to replace old, unfortunate habits. Healthy food is also very delicious. Here's a big hint. Don't expect to find it in a box or in a plastic bag. So what's in a Ruby sandwich that makes it so nutritious? Look at all the wonderful things beets can do. Boost heart health, lower blood pressure, improve digestion, reduce inflammation, improve gut health, boost athletic performance, aid brain health, and they have antioxidant effect.
Give the beets a little bit of a wash.
Slice off the top and bottom, then slice in half or in cubes to get more even cooking. Add them to a medium-sized saucepan with water in it. Cover them with a lid and cook them until a fork goes in easily.
I try not to go away and forget about them.
It should take about 20 minutes on medium heat.
The beets are all cooked. They took about 20 to 30 minutes. Doesn't take long at all to cook beets, even though they seem like they're really hard. Oh, I'm going to take them out now, put them on my cutting board so I can slice them and peel them first. You don't have to peel them. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Now save this delicious juice because you're going to add vinegar to it. I'm going to use this lovely knife that I got from America's Test Kitchen and make nice thin little slices for salads and especially for the Ruby sandwich.
Whole grains are also busy to protect your body from disease. It's not rye bread, it's multigrain bread. It's better for you. Ditch that white bread. Get whole grains and reduce the risk of chronic disease such as cancer, resist type 2 diabetes and colorectal cancer, and guard against weight gain, improve gut health, and has vitamins and minerals for you. Sauerkraut is another one of those superfoods. Just like beets and whole grains, it supports gut health. So it has probiotics, loaded with fiber, beneficial bacteria, supports mood, has vitamins C and K, and also has iron and potassium.
Here we have a couple slices of Swiss cheese. That's all there is to it.
Swiss cheese contains protein, calcium, vitamin B12, vitamin A, selenium, high in fat, but not as much as other cheeses, and lower in salt than other cheeses. Now let's assemble Cousin Ruby.
This is the way I like to put oil on the bread. My favorite cookware is cast iron, so that's what we're going to use today. There's no need to grease the skillet because we're greasing the bread to be a little larger than others.
This is the middle of the loaf, so I'm going to have to cut it down just a little bit to fit in the pan.
Well, that's not very pretty, but you get the idea. All right, so the skillet's not greased, so what we're going to do, put some grease on the bread and over and do the other side. The olive oil helps make the bread a lot crispier. Turn you over. You can use olive oil or avocado oil. Either one will work because they have a high smoke point. So I'm going to let this brown on the one side first. But I'll watch it so it doesn't burn and create
those dangerous free radicals.
It's not browning as evenly as I would like because I need a bigger skillet. I don't want it to burn. I don't want it to brown too much. So turning it way down. Starting to get nice and brown. So I like to put the cheese on first.
Then add the drained beets.
Looks like we got just the right amount out of the refrigerator container. Now the sauerkraut goes on next.
I just opened a new bottle and forgot to put caraway seeds in it.
And then I'll put on
I'll take him out of the pan now,
because this pan's going to retain some heat.
This is a clip from my video, Snacks on a Plane. It's the meal I took with me on board so that I wouldn't have to eat the airplane food. I just can't tell you how much I enjoyed this meal. Now this is today's lunch. Yum, yum.
Instead of French fries, we've got carrot sticks. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Not the most beautiful, but it is the most delicious.
Now it's time to store the leftover beets in a refrigerator container.
Okay, then we take the juice, pour it over the top. It's like I'll have to eat a few right now so that I can have them almost completely covered. We need to add about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar or any other kind of vinegar. That a lot of health going on in this apple cider vinegar. Fresh pickled beets. They are so delicious. They don't have to sit in the pickle very long because they're good right now.